Yo, what up, Ivan? What up? What up? Dude, we just trended the whole time. A complete trend. Yo, what up? Yo, visible. Nice. Nice. Hopefully you get it to a payout. What up, David? What up? What up? I was looking at like previous day and then it's like, how could that be previous day if it's up here? I don't know if I trust. I don't know how much I trust some of these indicators. Yeah. I'm going to fix this after hours. What up, Carlos? Messy life is here. Time for lunch? I just ate. What are you getting? Yo, I brought this account. It's only down $300 now. This account was just down as much as 1,800 earlier. This account is a strategy test right here. That's the only account that I'm purely testing something in. And these two, but I didn't test the opening range trade today because of CPI. It was a little, anytime you have news like CPI, it's going to be too much. So I didn't test the opening range trade, and I'll be glad I didn't. I would have hit 1 for 2 again. So I'm kind of happy that I didn't do it. Glazed salmon with some rice. Sounds pretty good. Sounds real good. I'm just setting up my I'm just setting up the feed. Hold on. I'm just setting up the feed. Oh. Oh. All right, I'm good. I know for sure I have to say that my payout in Apex will be denied. Why? What happened? I will glaze your salmon. Oh, jeez. Yo, why are you gonna get denied? Is it worse than this? Yo, Topstep house account, man. It can't be real money. I feel like it can't. Inconsistent sizing. Part of the risk management crew. You should tell them that's just how I trade. I like to go down 1,000 and then bring it right back up. I'm with you, Keith. I'm with you. I'm looking for the short. I'm definitely looking for the short. The problem is that we kind of staircased up. There's not like a fair value gap to flip. Improper risk management. Dude, I got a lot of that. I got a lot of that hanging around. Let's see if we get a double top. This is risky. It didn't even confirm. It didn't confirm or anything. Super risky. I could definitely see it going up. I mean, we've been going up all day. Well, since lunch. You know, I premature bought. That's not typically where you want to buy. I just took a shot. I found out that my funded futures needs me to make a lot more money in that account due to the fact of me making a lot of money in one day. So I'm taking a shot for a big move, and that's it. Let's see if my AMP account works. AMP Quant Tower. Dude, this thing doesn't even start up. I mean, we can just keep grinding probably. I mean, it's not really fun. We're not really going anywhere. Under like 64 actually confirms the trend change. If we get there, I don't know. We will. Just keeps bouncing on the 34, baby. Look at that. Just riding it. Riding it until it doesn't anymore. Anybody take this the whole way? Damn, this is looking good. Dude, all I'm doing is getting alerts all day. All day, I'm just getting alerts. crypto this, crypto that. Screw this market. Why, Ray? All you got to do is buy and hold at lunch and just stay in the whole time. You got to do nothing. Just hold. What's up, Bach? Yeah. Yep. I have Quant Tower for AMP and it doesn't want to load up. I don't know what the deal is. Why are you using Quant Tower also and you're having issues, or is it just me? I feel like something's going on every time it tries loading up. Oh man. Every time it tries, you need to remove the program and redown. Yeah, well, that was my next move. What up, Liquidated? That's my next move. I didn't want to do that, but apparently that's what I'm probably going to do. Yeah, it won't start at all. Why? Was there an update or something that, like, I don't understand why they couldn't just do an update. But yeah, I haven't been able to trade it all week. So I just don't want to do it while I'm on the stream, you know, downloading it, looking at all this stuff. But I'm going to do it right after hours. And I'll be back trading my personal account tomorrow. Man, this was some move. This is one. Yeah, but usually you can update inside the platform. You know, you just hit update and it just updates it right there. That's what I thought I was going to be able to do. But apparently not. Oh, man. Come on. I want to see a freaking dump here end of day. Give me a dump. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Actually, we're just grinding up. Just the grind. Yo, what up, Joyce? What's up? What's up? How's your trading going today? Crushing it? Boom, 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 boom. Dude, let's see who's up. Such a crazy swing of a day. Look at this. Boom, 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 boom. I'd love a rejection right here. Give me a dump-a-do. Give me it all out. Poop your pants. If I only held, dude, 355. I think we bounced off VWAP. Yeah, look. All you got to do is take the VWAP bounce. If you were in at VWAP, this is interesting. This is definitely interesting. You were in all locations today? 9-day win streak with options. Bo. That's awesome, man. Dude, you took 300 trades today. How do you take 300 trades? I don't even understand how you take 300 trades. Can you add up the commissions on that? What's the commissions look like? I mean, how much are you up or down after taking 300 trades? That's a lot of trades. Do you ice your finger from hitting the mouse button over and over and over again? Dude, I can't trade pre-market at all. I can't trade pre-market at all. No, you were bored. Broke $642. That's crazy. Dude. Oh, well, you know what they had this morning? CPI was this morning. That's what 21. Oh, from here? From here, I guess. 21,198 would be like over here. Yeah. Or I guess here, 2198 on the way up. Yeah, I'm guessing on the way up. Yo, what up, Trader 07? 007, what up, what up? Dude, finding it, I'm looking for a rejection and we dump, but it seems like it's only going to slow grind up. It looks like we are in just a grind. As soon as I take it long is when we lose. It was when it goes down, though. That's all it's going to take. Me to take it long, and then it's going to go down, without a doubt. I'll play the trend, and then it will not be my friend. Ooh, that's a big candle right there. Come on. I want to see us dump. Damn, Joseph. Plus 7,000 on day 3 of those funded. 2 getting close to a payout. Yo, I got to ask, what size account is it if it's $7,000? Is that 7,000 in one account, or is that 7,000 across all accounts? What are we looking at right now? 7 across all, or 7 each? Oh, across all, still really good. That's like $400 an account. Damn, man. Getting close to that payout. Now, is that going to be your first payout? Is that going to be your first payout of 2025? Brandy Allen. I have no idea. Haven't even thought about it. Nice. Nice. What do you got? I'm guessing Apex, right? Because you're trading 20 accounts. Apex is the place you're at. Oh, baby. Are we going to break it down? Come on. Why are you bouncing? Just give it up. I'm waiting for my confirmation. I'm waiting. Oh, baby. Oh, wow. Oh, so yeah. How does it, so you, I guess you're copy trading what, like 20 something accounts through, or you have 20 through all three brokerages or three prop firms? I've only used it with like 7 at most. I guess it works. They also have like the trade protection with Replicanto as well. I think they have the trade protection. So if it moves a certain amount, it won't get you in the trade. They got a couple of good tools on Replicanto. That's the only one I tell people to use. Everybody wants to use like a free one, and I'm like, you get what you pay for. You know, you definitely get what you pay for. Oh. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, you get what you pay for. Red Rocket in the shorts, $20. $20. $20 is $20. This does not look good. It's in that little pocket. Oh. I'm waiting for it to trigger. Yo, what up, Plusa? Would you do a short call spread? All right, hold on one second. A short call spread? Do you mean a short term call spread? Or do you mean like a put spread? Yo, drinking tea is great until you realize that you're a man. Bro, man, I'm like one with the people in the UK. Pinkies up, baby. 30-day. Let me bring up shop. I don't like the fact that shop still hasn't filled its earnings gap. No, a call spread is a bullish play. You're buying a call and selling a further, unless you're doing a call credit spread where you're selling a closer one and then kind of get you back on the big black coffee. Yeah, so I think you mean a credit spread on a call credit spread. So you're selling a near-term call and then buying a further out of the money call. Yeah. I probably wouldn't. Me personally, I probably wouldn't. I like the company. I probably wouldn't. It's probably not in my thing. Yeah, dude, I love coffee, man. I just it gives me like freaking like a burning sensation, I guess. Not the first day I drink it, but as I'm drinking it for days, by like day 3, day 4, I start to feel it. Just day 3, day 4, I just start getting that feeling, and I don't like it. How did I do in options land today? I'll just sit here and sip my tea. Yeah, that's almost $4,000 today. Yo, raising the roof. Holy shit. What up, Jules? One of the easiest trading days today. Yeah. I mean, I don't find today to be. I'm not a huge guy that trades during on news days. Tomorrow is more my speed, but what size options account do I have? So what you see right there is about 160,000, 170,000. And then I got another, I don't know, I got another like 25,000 on Robinhood. But I'm going to be honest with you, Bo. I am more than half cash. So you don't like, I'm probably 60% cash right now. So I'm basically trading I don't know, $75,000, $80,000 account. You blew your accounts, Zadia? Which accounts? Who are you trading with? Yo, my funded futures is where it's at. I love my funded futures is the easiest place to get. Oh, do you sell puts? I do sell puts, Palooza. I definitely sell puts. Yeah, well, that's like my core is the wheel strategy. Honestly, you could start doing it with like $25,000. You could start doing the wheel. You can start doing it with even less. My funded futures starter plus has no consistency. I passed the take profit trader account. I'm gonna have take profit trader funded account tomorrow. Boom! I'm actually excited about that. Oh, did I sell puts today? A little bit of everything. Some puts that I sold, some calls, some covered calls, some stock, a little bit of everything. Nothing aggressive. But the wheel strategy is where it's at, Bo. It's the safest strategy that's out there because the worst that could happen is you own the stock. I'll show you my positions. This is what I got left. This is all I have left. Feel free to screenshot, pause the video, and you can see it all. Dude, I'm an open book, man. If you want to see something, I show it to you. I'm completely transparent. Why not, you know? I haven't bought. The only thing I did today was I bought Grab shares, and I plan on holding them for a long time. Other than that, I just took profits today. I typically don't buy on days that we're up 2%, just like I'm not going to sell if we're down 2%. You blew your account during CPI? On the actual news? Or you waited till after? I traded the news this morning. That's how I got $3,400. You just did a put butterfly in AMD. AMD had that not so great news with the White House. They want to limit the amount of chips that leave. Yo, what up, Pine Tree? Tradeovate does have it. So basically you go here, you manage groups, and you set it all up here. You set a group name. You set a group name, and then you just pull accounts over. Nah, you got to bracket trade news. That's how you do it. You bracket trade it. I don't trust the copy trader on Tradeovate, though. I'm just letting you know. Yo, what up, Mark? 1 month passed by real quick. What happened, Bob? Oh, I got 2 my funded futures coming in like a week. Oh, geez. I let him rebuild. Has anyone used Volumetrica? Was it better than Tradeovate? I used it's right here. It's literally at the top of the screen. Yeah, you could bracket trade. Dude, I'm literally just going to buy and hold. Yeah, Baba. Yep. Yo, you were all over serve, by the way. You were all over that, man. I'm surprised you didn't grab any. I thought that was Trading View this whole time. No, this is Trading View. What do you guys think? 450 probably, right into this fair value gap, and then we reject. You made $48,000 yesterday in practice. Still working on my strategy. Up 4,000 today. The 4,000 that you're up today, is that in an account or is that practice again? Damn, this has been a long, long grind up. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. ES right near the big 6,000 number. I like that insight design. I like that. My mouth is watering for a pullback. What up? What up, Arthur? Are you trading 50 contracts? Jeez. He's got to be trading a lot to hit that type of gain. Yeah, I agree, Mark. I mean, that's what we talked about yesterday. I would just trade one contract, one mini, and just see how you would do in like a real environment. We're getting right to the trend line of this wedge. The wedge, I was down on my PA, but with that CPI, I got it back on track. Yeah. See, this is the hourly. This is telling me that if you own maybe stock or options, this is where you start peeling some of it off. Can you break out? You can, but I'm just saying, you also just went, I don't know, 250, 700 points from the bottom on Monday. You know, just got to think about it. Oh, man. Just grinding away. Just focus on higher time frame levels, being patient. Yeah, being patient is a big part of it. Big part of it is just waiting. The amount of time you hit the button is less than 1%. Less than 1% of the time you're doing something. The rest is you're just kind of waiting. Just a little sneak peek of a back test I'm going to do today. I'll let you know how it goes. ES at, oh man. I'm thinking, do I just flip to ES? Yo, how many contracts does one play of this anyways? Yo, what up? Is 2 minis good enough? I don't ever trade ES. I have no idea what the sizing is. $50 per point. All right, so I just sold one. I sold one, and I'm going to keep this other one. I'm going to let it ride. Well, no, I definitely am going to take some fucking profits here. I'm going to let this ride, I guess. No, that's too juicy. It's $200. It's not that big of a fucking drop. All right, hold on one second. I see you got. I see there's a question. I am not. I'm not. I'm gonna get to your question. I'm just watching this for. On Apex, they say 8 days off. 8 days off trading. All 8 days you have to make profit. No, you just have to trade. They just want to see you trading the account. Dude, that was I don't want to say that was a gimme, but if we're approaching 6,000, you should probably take a fucking short. Like, I'm not going to do it for you. I'm just telling you that you should probably take a short. I mean, you know, I'm not saying to do it. I'm just saying, you know, oh, you have to make $50 to count as a trading day or lose 50, I guess. Yo, Flip, what up? $21.43 supply level on NQ. 40. Dude, this thing's about to trigger. I would still request. How's price looking? Looking pretty good. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for the close. I might take this short. I'm just waiting. Patiently waiting. Yeah, I read their whole rules and shit today. Yeah, they keep changing rules all the time. That's the big issue. It's like all the prop firms, not all, but like there's a handful of them. They keep changing rules constantly. So it's like hard to stay up on what the rules are. And I'll be honest with you, like if you have a 50K account, you probably got to make $52,600 to get a payout. You know, and then it's either going to be $500, you know, $1,500, whatever firm you're with. Yo, Design Knob. Yo, I got my Diamond Jack shirt on. Jack Cuss, baby. I don't know how far you are from his facility over there. Woo! I mean, the short didn't trigger for me, so I didn't jump in. But it was like right there. Man, losing 411 would be, yeah. I think it's heavy up here on ES. Yeah, oh, without a doubt. You're at 6,000. That's a big, big number. 6,000. I mean, oh, yeah, you're about, 15 minutes away. I had to throw it on. The shirt's only like 20 years old. Woo! Nice, Bartolo. Very nice. Very nice. Come on. I'm about to slam this. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for the setup to trigger. Hey man, no one's hitting the button but you, Bartolo. Remember that. Only you are hitting the button. Nobody's hitting that button. That's you that made the money. I'm not hitting it for you. Are we gonna finally? If we drop, I mean, I'm looking for like a big drop here. If it does, I'm waiting for the other thing to trigger though. I can't jump in as much as I want to. Apex says differently, dude. You might get a 400 bounce though. I don't even know what this account is up. Oh, 60. I'm taking that real quick because I just feel like they're going to do this exactly. You big piece of RTY's been lagging, but dude, the Russell's been brutal all year. The Russell has lagged the Qs all year in terms of gains. Well, all last year in terms of gains. I'm waiting for the Russell to take off at some point. Oh, you went over? You know what, Bartolo? Just focus on making money. Just focus on you making money and not on the rules, and just grow the accounts, man. That's it. Just focus on growing the accounts. Don't worry about all the other BS that comes. Just focus on making good trades, grow the account, and you know what? Request the payout. If you get denied, you get denied. You trade 8 more days and you request again. But the whole time you're just building the account up. You're not worried about, any of the other BS. I think they put out these rules to constantly make you think about other stuff when trading, when you should just focus on making money. That's it. Just focus on that, and the rest of it will fall into place. Damn, they scooped this thing right back up. Right back up. Yo, everybody that won Take Profit Trader accounts, did you get them? Everybody that won Take Profit Trader accounts this week, are they in your account? Flip, I use a whole strategy with using that. The 10-point take profit and then move the stop up and then push out. Can you violate the consistency rule and news rule to make big money on a day like today to create a huge cushion, get denied, pay out initially, and then start trading again? Apex lets you trade during news, so you should be fine if you're using Apex, Ian. Yeah, Flip. Who the people that won, if you won, check in your account, you should have them. Yeah, it appears as a credit. Yep. Nice. I just want to make sure you guys got it. Anyone like Bullenox? I like Bullenox. I trade with Bullenox. I have 3 funded accounts with them. One's up 125 today, and I haven't traded the others. Actually, I need to trade this one because there's you got to trade X amount of days. So I'm actually just going to put in a little quickie McQuickerson in there. Yeah, so what about Bullenox? Go kick some rocks. I like them. Yeah, no, I haven't, and I don't know anybody that's gotten denied. They are like a stand-up firm. Super stand-up. No issues. The only thing that sucks about them is everything's like manual, where you have to manually request a funded account. You got to manually request a payout. That's the biggest thing. Other than that, they're fine. Nobody has issues with them. Yo, later, Baba. Yeah, you'll be fine. Dude, remember that fast track trader spreadsheets, bro? I thought somebody was joking around with me when I did that. I was like, no way you need a spreadsheet. And they're like, yeah, you need to keep track of every day. I was like, I won't get any more accounts. I was done once I was told that. So for Bullenox, you have 25,000 drawdown on a 50K master account. You need to get. So they just changed the rules. I think you could take $500 out. It used to be $1,500. And then either way, your drawdown moves up to 50,100. But on their website, it says 1,500, but somebody said you could only pull out 500 yesterday. Yo, that shit was crazy. Anybody know on Bullenox? I think it's 1,500, but somebody said 500 yesterday. But either way, you got to get to 52,600. That is a known fact. What up, Dora? Oh, I just cracked my ankles. Are the highs in today? Possibly. Yo, what up, CT? Yo, I haven't seen you around. How have you been? Dude, I'm gonna bring it on. I'm gonna bring it on the. I'm gonna bring it on the screen. Says it right here. For all safety threshold reserves defined. Oh, so you have to keep $2,600 in the account at all times? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I read that wrong. That's my fault. Yeah, that's the minimum threshold. And then your withdrawal, you just can't go lower than $50,100. So you got to make a lot of money at first, and then after that, it is what it is, because you can request $500. After you request X amount of times, though, you could, after the third payout, there's no maximum. That it doesn't say it on it. Too much real work. Yo, what type of real work you do, man? I do not think you could take that $2,600 out at once. I think you basically keep the account until you either hit 50,100, and that's it. You always have the account. No. Ah, interesting. That's different. Are you like Marty Kahn by any chance? Anybody watch that show, House of Lies? Marty Kahn, the business consultant. Dude, that shit was great. That was like one of my favorite shows. Not that interesting. Oh, man. Why couldn't we just bear flag and then drop like 100 points? I try not to lie, but may not offer the full solution. Man. Woo! That's a nice candle. I want to see, honestly, the fact that we swept these highs. Got to keep them engaged, baby. Got to get them on the tee. Keep them going. Yo, the ES hasn't broke over. Here, I'll be able to. I'll risk one. I'll risk something. Let me see what I got. 95. Oh. Yo, Pine Tree, nice. Yeah, habitual daily payouts. I love daily. I love Take Profit Trader for that. Oh shit, I'm on the 5-minute chart here. Whatever. I don't think it's going to go over 6,000. I just have this feeling. I got this feeling. It might though. Yo, Pine Tree, I'm going to be on that daily payout train. I just passed my I passed an account with them. I'll have funded tomorrow. Choo choo. No, there's people I know that have fucking 10 times my amount. No limit. No limit like Master P, baby. Come on, we got to think positive, man. We need it to go down. I've never been denied a payout with anybody. I trade pretty much the same every single day. The only thing I had to do one time was make a video. That was as far as I got, was make a video. I made a video and we were all good. Yeah, Apex wanted you to make a video at one point to get a payout to prove that it was you. It was you doing it. So I did that, and that was. So my funded futures has an issue with you. My funded futures has an issue with you scalping under 15 seconds. So it just can't be more than 50% of your trades. That's all. It just can't be more than 50% of your trades. Outside of that, you're fine. That makes no sense. You stream 2 times. Dude, it's so, I had to show them that. I showed them my stream, and then I made a video, and they wanted me to explain a trade. What happened was, I'll tell you what happened. So argument's sake, say this was where we were during the day or pre-market. I put an order right here and we dropped and we filled my order and literally I bottom ticked it and we shot right back up. And when we shot back up, I made like $1,000 in a PA account and they wanted to know why I took that trade. And I had to explain that, you know, I play a lot of pivot points and whatnot. And I also think they wanted to make sure I was for real. So there was, you know, listen, people were complaining about making a video. I had no problem making a quick screen share video. No. They did away with it. Tell them to subscribe to your channel and learn a little bit. Watch news tomorrow. Wipe out all the gains today. What's the big news tomorrow, Jawan? What's the big news tomorrow? I'm going to look at economic calendar. So we have jobless claims tomorrow, U.S. retail sales, retail sales minus autos. We have import price index, Philadelphia Fed manufacturing survey. Yeah. Yo, that could, I would love for this market to get wiped out tomorrow. Man, if we got wiped out tomorrow, oh, that'd be fucking amazing. I unloaded the majority of my portfolio. Just be sitting on fucking dry powder, waiting, hiding in the weeds, just waiting to explode. Boom, crossed 4,000 on the day. Boom. Come on. Let's drop it like it's hot. Yeah, the clicking the mouse thing was a little crazy. See your bare ass. I didn't do the video where they saw me though. Yo, Tennessee Rob, what up? Haven't seen you in a while. How have you been? Is ES going to make that high? Fucking reject, baby. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'll fucking add if we go below here too. Yo, what up, Corey? Why am I shorting? I am taking a guesstimate that we do not break 6,000 on the ES. And if we break it, we break it. You know, whatever. I'm fully okay with, I'm taking it with one account and I already made a trade doing this. I made $200 in a PA account. So net, I'm about even, up a little bit. So I'm perfectly fine with taking this. Been good saving this in snowfall. Yeah. Hey, man, keep it steady. You can't hear me? That's definitely you. Everybody else can hear me. Oh, yeah, Corey, you got my email, right? You got my number? Corey, I just want to make sure you got it. It's definitely on your end, liquidated. It could definitely sweep. It could definitely sweep. Just text me first because I have no idea your number. So if you just fucking call me up, I'm probably not picking up. So just hit me with a text. But yeah, I'll help you out, man. Yeah, everybody hears me. Can somebody put in the chat that they hear me? Yeah, you're not going to hear him. He's not on the stream. Boom. Joe, you get your account? Did you go? Joe, did you get the Take Profit Trader account you won? It should be in your account. Go to a 50K account, and when you go to purchase, you'll see it says credit there, and you can get the account. You know what I'm saying? And whoever else won. Who else won accounts? Who else? Trading Funds is in here. Trading Funds. Go to your Take Profit Trader account. You should have a credit for a free account. Yeah, Trading Funds, you should have it. Joe, you should have it. In a day, I'm going to forget. So after today, who was this? Damn, somebody won. I know his real name, but I'm not going to say it. But somebody won yesterday, and he did not put his screen name in YouTube, so I don't know who it was. Full Port for the Boys won. Oh, Truth 21 is another one. Yo, we gave away like 4 accounts. We gave away 10 accounts this week for Take Profit Trader. Yeah, Mark, I agree with you. Yeah, free accounts, baby. I was handing them out. Yeah, I need one of them. Yo, we dished them out. We We were running duck races on the morning stream, the afternoon stream. It was wild, man. It was wild, wild. So up until just this week, I send you PayPal or Venmo or Zelle you money for an account. I've covered people's accounts with my own money up until this week. And just this week is the first time that I got messaged to give away accounts. So I could have kept them for myself or given them away, and I gave them away. So I gave you guys 10 accounts that I could have kept. So I thought it would be cool, and we just dished them out. But yeah, I didn't contact them. They contacted me, and yeah, you know, hopefully you guys take them to a payout because that's what it's about, right? Oh man, Cove ain't no bitch. Yeah, I covered everyone's accounts. I've covered. You can ask, dude. How many months have I done that? Months. And we'll give away more accounts this week that I'll actually cover, not give them. I have no idea. I haven't even thought about it, to be honest with you. I haven't even thought about it. If we don't do it today, maybe we'll do it tomorrow. We definitely do it on Friday. We always do it on Friday and Monday. And then, oh, geez. Yeah, Joe, I like it better than Topstep. Yo, what up, Lee? I don't know, man. Like I tell everybody, I make a lot of money trading outside of prop firms. So I have no problem just giving back to you guys, and hopefully you guys take it to a payout. And sometimes you guys blow a bunch of accounts and you win one and it changes your whole day. You feel good about your day, That's kind of what it's about. Damn, this does look really good. This looks really good, like we're going to break 6,000. I might take this off. I should take it off, but I'm not. It's not hard to beat Topstep. Yo, Alex, you don't think I meant to make $3,400 in my 50K PA account? That was on news this morning. Joe, always DCA. I'm gonna have to take this account to like $8,600. So I'm gonna start trading a lot of contracts in it. What's interesting is the NQ has taken new highs, right? The ES has not. I'm curious what happens here. Because if we get a dip in the NQ, ES should dump. ES should really dump. No, it's typically not my style to make massive profits in one account. That's a lot. It's a real lot. But you know what? My drawdown is up. So I want to see just a fucking sell-off here end of day. Like, are we really going to close at the high of the... Look at this. Oh, shit. I got to open up the door. Hold on one second. My kids just got home. Hold on. Yo, ever since that Amazon guy walked in my house that day when I was on the stream without, if you guys weren't on the stream, some Amazon guy literally walked in my house while I was on the stream. And I think he came in here to rob the place. And ever since then, I keep the door locked now. We have those economic reports tomorrow. I think we'll have a sell-off ahead of it. Market knows best. We shall see. Just grinding. Tell me it stopped everybody out. Oh, baby. It wicked. It wicked above and then just... Did I have my brass knuckles ready? Dude, I confronted him right. My house is kind of like, you walk in the corridor and then like my office is over here. So like I confronted him around the bend and I don't think he knew I was even home. I think he pooped his pants when I was there. Is this a bull trap? I think it's going to either romp. Now that you broke 6,000, you're either going to romp, or it's going to come right back down and reject and sell off the rest of the day. I know that's not really what you want to hear, but I think the grind, I'd love to see a rejection. Yeah, I mean, I have some orders in case we do just flush. But yeah, imagine just hanging out in your office and the Amazon guy just fucking comes in. Oh, baby. Yeah, I mean, on a day like this, anything's possible. I just think there's going to be a lot of profit taking at the end of the day, I would assume. You got to remember, some of this may not even be buying. Some of this might just be short covering. People that were short going into CPI and PPI are now covering their position. And, you know, that's what I would say is, this isn't necessarily all buying. It could just be short covering where they technically is buying. They got to buy back their position, but it's shorts covering now that PPI and CPI are done. So we'll see. I am looking. I don't think we're going to come down all the way back down. I don't know. You never know. You never know. Come on. I never DCA, but today I decided to do it, and this thing has 20 points straight up. Walter, that's how it goes. The first time you decide to do something, it will always go against you. It's just the way it is. What are you shorting, the NQ or the ES? I'm guessing the NQ, 200 points up. Watch this go all the way back down to 400. That shit was 1 micro at a time. Yo, life comes at you quick, man. Yo, ES is the worst. Probably hold right here. Maybe. This would be a hold spot. Moving to break even. Flush it. Flush it. I mean, this is technically the bounce spot. Joe, my kids just get home from school. Did I just... We gonna dump? I'm going to get fucking murked. Oh, man. Yo, my kids came in. I should have been taking this fucking profit. Yo, what up, Steve? What up? Man, I never trade the ES either. It's just too freaking slow. You just DCA'd up to 6 cons on Take Profit Trader? Dude, don't blow a brand new account you just got. You just got the account. Don't blow it. Yeah, Yan. I mean, I'm not copy trading it. I'm doing it in my very, very worst PA account that I have. I'm just. I want to see a flush. Yeah, there's definitely ways to DCA correctly, I guess. You know, the problem is if you get a day like today, you're completely smoked. Dude, I'm getting messages from all these people. I'm up 200 now. One more small trade and I'm done for the day. Oh, dude, just stop. Yeah, against momentum is rough, man. I probably wouldn't do it on a news day like CPI. I would definitely do it if there was no news. If you get a day with like no news, like Monday, most likely you're gonna chop. So I'm waiting for this thing. I'm waiting for this thing to fucking trigger. This is the thing I back tested. Nope. Let's go. What is the script reading? Still long. It's got to get under there. I don't think this is another trap, personally. Only because it's the end of the day. Yo, I made back all those fucking law. Look at that. 75 and 100. That was fucking nice. Nice. Yeah, boy. Oh, this thing's about to trigger south. Oh, baby. Oh, I didn't know that was going to happen. When I dragged it, I thought that it would just put a stop. Dude, that was a nice play. Yo, Steve, you got that shit. I saw that. You got that? I'm guessing Hacks got that. Dude. Yo.
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
Woo! That was awesome. Please, please, it's too much winning. Running the script because I need money now. I don't even know if it flipped sell yet. Yo, the script hasn't even flipped to a sell yet. That's crazy. You know why it hasn't flipped? Because it hasn't come down enough. If this closed down here, it would have triggered a sell. Woo! Well, the script is still in buy mode. It's literally still in the buy. Not that I'm going to stay, you know. Of course, it flips sell right here. We're at the end of the day. I probably shouldn't even take this because it's the end of the day, actually. Come to Butthead. I'm going to play around with this. I got a couple other things I'm going to play around. I think I'm going to get hosed here. I think I said not even to take any of the trades in the last half hour, but here I am doing it. I got to relook at my notes on the script. I know I don't take a, I know for the first 15 minutes you don't take a trade, and I want to say it was like the last half hour. I back tested this script, but there's rules involved. It's not just the script. There's rules. So basically, as soon as you get in, you take profit at 10 points. And once you take profit at 10 points, you move the rest of the contracts to break even. And then from there you push. Yeah, there's like rules and context, like just like here, like it says the first take profit would be 370. I'm taking profit right here because it's probably going to bounce off 400 if we come down here. So I'm taking it there. Like you got to see what's going on. And you're not supposed to trade. I think it's the last half hour of the day. So, if I end up blowing this account, first of all, I'm fine with it. Second of all, I'm probably going to try this one more time with another 150. Only because today I did not, I didn't follow it all. One trade I didn't take on it. It would have been very profitable. I kind of messed up because I was doing too many things at once. So it is what it is. And if I blow the account, I blow the account. I mean, I've come to peace with it. It's something I want to test out. And if I want to test it out, there's nothing better than testing it out in the live environment. I back tested it. The back test was good. So now, you test it out in a live environment. Yo, what up, Justice? Just observing till February? I should look how many times it triggers and then comes back. And then when it comes back, you still get your points, because I might start taking it on the pullbacks. I might do half and then half on a pullback. Just another thing for me to back test. I might do that because I know the script is profitable. So once it's profitable, you start adding other rules in to make it next level profit. Yo, all seriousness, this might just unload to the downside if it unloads. Yeah, right off the moving average. Good spot. Yo, Hacks, I put it up against Super Trend, and Super Trend gives you different buys and sells. Oh man. Okay. I'm risking it right here. What do we got? Oh baby. Fuck that. I'm taking that shit. Ho! Whoa! Whoa! Woo! Who the fuck got that?
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
No, Pops, because then I gotta think. No, I have thought about it. Like I definitely have said like, hey, what if I did that? But no, I'm not going to. Yo, funded baby. Yo, Fred baby. Give you the clap. Who thought you were gonna get the clap today? Yeah, you got to remember, Walter. First of all, I shouldn't have even been in the trade because I'm almost positive I shouldn't even take one in the last. I think it's the last half hour or last 20 minutes of the market. You no longer trade the script. So I took it kind of against the rules, and I assumed once we got down to like 400, it would bounce. You have the 400 and you have the 200. So yeah, as soon as we dropped, I was out. Peace out, Cub Scout. Oh man. So basically that last script trade was sell the extension and cover at the script entry. Sometimes I wish we all had a voice chat and we could see each other's screen so I could say like fade the script. Yo, that's why I covered that short though. Hands off the keys now, done for the day. Yeah, I will say though, when it triggers a buy, I'm just looking at today. 1, 2, 3, 4. More than half the time it pulls back. More than half the time, it pulls back at least 10 points. Yeah, that might be my new rule. Wait till a 10-point pullback. What's crazy is it would make you ultra profitable because I was marking it when we get in to get 10 points. So if you wait for a 10-point pullback, essentially you're going to get 20 points every time. Dude, don't trade this with a funded account. That's actually really interesting. Wait for a 10-point pullback. Damn, look at this crazy action. Jeez. So fucking risky. I'm just wondering if they rip it. My stop is like super tight. I'm going to get stopped out. I was just playing. 2,000 ticks from the news today. That's crazy. This is double bottom is putting in his off moving average. Yeah, off the 200 basically. I mean, I was positioned long in my options account before the news. I trade the wow, crazy. What do you think? We just unload end of day? Yo, up 500 bucks. Can't beat that. 500. This looks so bad. I'm up like 4,000 bucks, I think. I don't know where I'm going to end. Let me see. I'm up $3,800 today. I'm just wondering if they're just going to unload this end of day with one big fucking algo candle. And if I get stopped, I get stopped, you know? I'm aware of the risks. I'm out. I'm out. They're not gonna. Oh, fuck me. I wanted to see like a straight up fucking. I would not trade on Take Profit Trader anymore, man. Just stop it. Just don't trade on it. Yo, I made I made 3,000 in a PA account today. I can't wait to try to get that one push through. Yeah. I mean, if you're talking about 4,000, yeah, I'm up 4,000 in E-Trade. Real money. Yo, you know what happened on the PA account? I traded during the news and it didn't sell me out right away. Like my fill was way past my stop loss. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna submit a thing, see if they'll pay me. Somebody said the full hour. I just wouldn't trade after hours, man. I've heard horror stories that you'll lose your account if you trade after hours with them. No, you can't bring it back down because I guess I could have lost like $1,000, but I'm just gonna take it all the way up. I got to go to $8,600. So to 8,600 we go. I'm just gonna trade it like a 150 account. Well, you could trade right now at Apex. I just wouldn't. I wouldn't do it with anybody but Apex. Let's see what happens. I hate trading after hours. Just going to full port it? I don't know. I'm going to have to make gains along the way. Today was a great day. I'm glad, man. Apex has multiple lawsuits. My friend is waiting for 70K. Their lawyers are not responding. Listen, I'll trade it until I don't get paid. I've gotten paid every single time, so I can't, you know, I don't know. Like, it's nothing against you, but like, I don't know what your friend did. I don't know, maybe he didn't follow the rules. I don't know. Like, I know nothing about him or anything. So I can only go off my experience. And my experience is they paid me every time. Yeah, no, I'm with you, man. I'm fully with you. And I've seen people that haven't gotten paid. But I'm not, I don't know what went in. I don't, it's one of those things. Listen, I trade with Take Profit Trader. I trade with my funded futures. Apex had a great deal. They had 90% off, so I could load it up. Why is Ray crying? I bet you Ray was short and he didn't hold. Damn, I had that ES trade. Oh, geez. No, FX, man. I want you to come in here and say something, man. I would want you to. I am by no means a person that says don't say anything about Apex because I'm an affiliate. I want you to air. Listen, if you have information, throw it out there, man. This is a free world. You're allowed to say whatever you want. I'm not here to, I'm interested what happens with this whole thing in March. Yo, what up, Eamon? I'm doing pretty good. I'm definitely doing pretty good. I'm just shorting now? Dude, I mean, I would have been in already. They have some guy who I think was their programmer left, and they're in some type of civil suit with them. It's not going to cripple the company. The company makes too much money. But I don't know. At the end of the day, man, I just wake up, I make profitable trades, and that's the only thing I can focus on. Outside of that, I want to know, but at the same time, like, I just got to focus on trading. That's it. Listen, I hope he gets paid. I hope your friend gets paid. If he followed all the rules and whatever else, I hope he gets paid. I want to see everybody get paid because it's not us against each other. It's us against the props, against the market. So damn, they're just unloading it. Unloading. Ah. Apex milked the dog slowly. It's funny though, a lot of people were saying how Apex has no money, and when they came out with that lawsuit and it said that they made $10 million a month, you could see by their website traffic how much they're making. They're twice the size of they got to be twice the size of Topstep. I'll be honest with you, the price action today to me isn't 100% what I like. I'm not a fan of the whole grind up all day, but it is what it is. Not a fan of scalping anymore. Yeah, I mean, hey, stick to what works for you. That's what it's about, is finding something that works. What works for you might not work for me. And what works for me doesn't work for the next guy. We all, yeah, full port. So it's interesting. Hey, I just sit, watch, relax, see what happens. Yeah, I heard a payout junction. I heard Matt from My Funded Futures, though, says that the numbers on payout junction are skewed because it doesn't take into account
The markets are closed.
Of all of the payouts that My Funded Futures gives out. I saw his tweet today about it. I thought that was interesting. Also like take a payout with a grain of salt, I guess, because Fast Track was the highest on those payouts and they went under. So, how did he end up, Walter? Dude, Walter was short, right? I'm scrolling up. Walter was short. I'm shorting now at 406. I mean, he's probably up or break even. Interesting. I'm not sure how. It's all crypto. Let me see. No, take profit traders not on it because I think it goes through Rise. Payout junction is not accurate representation of a payout numbers. Not all payouts are made through payout junction and are for. If you want to follow me on, no, I have it on the screen right here, Matt Leach. If you want to follow me on Twitter, Cove Trader, just at Twitter or X. Sorry, Cove Trader on X. But Take Profit Trader uses Wise, not Rise. Yeah, correct. Yeah. So, hey, but payouts are, Fast Track was just paying. Yo, later, Steve. Hope to see you tomorrow, brother. Yeah, Fast Track was paying like the same 5 wallets, but it was coming up in payout junction that there were payouts being made. Just the total amount, but really it was just moving money to money. One more winner? Oh. Dude, we got that dump, man. Fast Track's rules were too good is the problem. And that guy, I'll be honest with you, he's had cars and houses. Like, I don't think he had all that before Fast Track, which means the money was going to things that were not, company related. Yeah, I mean, that's what he did is he traded between wallets to look legit, and it wasn't. So, the thing with Fast Track is you couldn't charge them back because you're paying with crypto or wire. But like out of nowhere, he was buying like McLarens and stuff. Like that's all the money that was going into the company. At Funded Trader, I heard about them. I never used them. I heard about that though. Dude, they're constantly going, like, props are constantly going out of business. That's why when people ask about, like, oh, why don't you try this new prop? Most of the time I'm not into it. Like, first of all, I use my funded futures, Take Profit Trader. I've used Tradeify and I use Apex. I don't need to use somebody else. Like, why do I need to go anywhere else? Oh, his other business was an exotic car business? Yeah, well, he was probably buying cars. Yeah, I mean, that's why I just stick with the major ones. They're around. I also trade my own money as well. I have an AMP account. So it is what it is. You got to stick with the known ones because you know you're going to get paid. You know you're going to get paid, and that's the biggest thing about it. I don't want to put my time and effort and get payouts and then not get paid. Oh, dude, he funneled a ton of funds, man. Ton of funds. I mean, it was absurd. Okay. I am going to ask my wife right now, what night do we have free next week that I can run a poker night? What night? Yo, you know what would be interesting? Yo, Martin Luther King Day is Monday, right? Oh, no, my kids are off. Does that sound like none? Does that sound like a good name, Cove? Well, what name? A full port prop firm coming soon. Oh, bro, that'd be awesome. Dude, full port prop firm. People would definitely fucking join. So I have kids basketball I got to do on Tuesday and Wednesday normally. So I'm thinking like Thursday. It'll probably be like Thursday or Monday. I have the whole setup and everything. I tested it out. I tested it out, so it all works and whatnot. Oh man, I even got kids basketball tonight. I got to grill up stuff tonight too. Oh, jeez. Dude, I get so like, I need just time. I just need time. Where do I play poker? We're going to play it on, I'll tell you right now what we're going to play it on. Poker, oh man, is it Poker Bros or Poker Now Club? I think it's Poker Now Club. Yeah. Playing blackjack? No, just play Texas Hold'em. Texas Hold'em tournament. The problem is, this is the problem. I'm going to tell you right now. If we do no buy-in, the winner is going to get like, I don't know, I'll throw in a couple of accounts, right? You're going to get people that sign up with like 10 fucking names. So you're going to have like everybody signing up like 10 times is what you're going to get. If you make it a buy-in, of like $10, just even if it's $10, if you do a $10 buy-in, it stops somebody from doing 10 accounts, because if they do 10 accounts, they got to put $10 each time for an account. So I'm just saying that if you want to stop that, you know, $10, you know, I'm good with whatever you guys want to do for a buy-in, but I'm just saying that the minimum should be $10 to stop people from signing in 10 accounts. Just throwing it out there. You know, because it was bad enough when I run a duck race, when we were doing no points, people were signing up like 10 times. It was crazy. It was just, what about us ballers? I mean, listen, if we get enough guys that really want to play poker for real, I would do it where, you know, you're throwing in more money for whoever wants to play that night. Kind of set it where it's like, hey, it's the first Thursday of every month is poker night, and we just do it. I think it's unlimited. Let me just see. Yeah, this is it. It's, yeah, multiplayer tournament. 300 players. 300 players, and we can do it. You want to do one tournament for fun and see how it goes? I might try to do it on Monday night. If we're going to do one for fun, Monday or Thursday, I'm going to ask my wife tonight. Dude, poker's super easy. Super, super easy. But I think it'd be fun. I've been wanting to do it for a while, but then the holidays came. Yeah, the holidays came and just everything else. Dude, I'm just looking at this script. Every time it said, every time we've gotten a buy signal, oh man, I'll test it out tomorrow. All right, guys, I'm going to put out, I know I said I was going to put out a back test video out yesterday. I back tested it and the thing was shit, so I didn't put it out. I'm going to back test. I have 2 indicators I want to back test, so I'm going to do one today, one tomorrow. So if you want, watch the video tonight. I'm going to put it out around 6:30, 7 o'clock tonight. Today was not that eventful. You know, made some money, but just the trading conditions really weren't what I was looking for. And not trading is sometimes a trade. So I passed this. I'll have a funded account tomorrow with Take Profit Trader. And we'll be back at it tomorrow. If you want to support the channel, use coupon code COVETRADER. We'll be streaming tomorrow at 10:30. Like we do every day, 10:30 to noon, and then again 2 p.m. till 4:30. And I think that's it, guys. I think I'm gonna call it because I got to bring my kid to basketball. I got to make him dinner and stuff. So I got that dad life, you know. I got dad life. So hopefully we made money today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.